Hello everyone, this is Tina from KEPUNI, and today I will introduce our factory for you. First, we can see the two domestic logo. This is our domestic brand for our domestic customers. And on the wall, you can see our company certificates and our company profile and company culture. At this part is our operations stable cable. You can see this is our main power supply of the XD20 Pro, and this machine is our XD20W. This is the operation machine for our customers who come to our factory. And for this part, this is our open welding torch. This is different size. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can see this welding torch. And for this one, this is our tube to tube sheet welding robot. You can check this. And for this machine, this is our high pressure oil welding machine to weld some oil pipes. And about this one, this is the open welding machine to weld the some pipe thick over 3 millimeters. If you have pipes over 3 millimeters, you can choose the open welding machine. And in this part, this is the pipe cutting machine. This is the machine tools for the to cut the pipes. This is the different size. And in this area, you can see different welding torch. This is the spotlight welding torch, also used in the semiconductor industries. And for the closed orbital welding torch, it can be used in water treatment, food industry, and some oil and gas industry. And in the U-shaped and T-shaped welding torch, it also used in the heat exchanger products. Okay, let's go inside. At this part, you can see some welding torch accessories. This is the fixtures. We also use the fixtures to weld different pipe diameters. According to pipe diameters, so we need to customize the different pipe fixtures. And this is our welding simple. You can see the different welding simples. For this machine is our automatic girth welding machine. It also because the machine is big, so you can use this machine in the factory. And look at this machine. This is the first welding torch in the world. You can see this is our tube to tube sheet welding machine. At this part, this is our new product, ultrasonic welding machine to weld the wire. This simple display area shows some welding tools. This is the tube fixing machine and the beveling machine. So this is the all introduction of the first floor. Later I will show you the second floor, the production line. Okay. Hello, welcome to our second floor. This is our production line. You can see our KEPUNI logo. Okay, let's go inside. First, we can see our aging sampling inspection area. At this area, we have many produced orbital welding machine and welding head. Every day, we will choose one welding machine and welding head to do the aging test to make sure the machine quality and the welding stability. And this part is our also produced closed orbital welding machine for our customers' order. Every month, we will produce more than 500 units. At this part, this is our cold welding machine automatic products. This is the automatic products production line. And for this machine is our new product, the ultrasonic welding machine. This is the ultrasonic welding machine stand. On my left, this is our shipping area for our closed orbital welding machine. We can see the internal structure of the closed orbital welding machine. And for this part, this is the production line of our tube-to-tube sheet welding machine. This is our G400 tube-to-tube sheet welding machine main power supply. On my right part, this is the shipping area of the open welding machine and the tube-to-tube sheet welding machine main power supply. At this part, the machine will are waiting to do the test and install. Okay, let's go to this part. This part is our vibration testing area. At this area, our machine will simulate the transportation process to prevent the transportation damages. And for this machine, for this equipment, this one is the precision measuring instrument. We can use this equipment to do the machines precision, make the machine and accessories more precision. And this is the testing area of the tube-to-tube sheet welding machine. Okay, let's go to the test area. At this area for our produced welding machine and welding height, we will at this area to do the testament. You can see these pipes. This is our testing pipes. For the orbital welding machine, we at least need to test more than 30 times. You can see this part. This is the welding torch. This is for our open welding torch. This one is the different size of the open welding torch. And we already installed the welding torch. This one are installed. Okay, so the production line is, the introduction is over. When you have time, welcome to visit our factory. Bye.